YouTube?
Yeah.
Bella's in the back door. Row. Lizard, come here.
Oh, Alex, I have a favor for you that I can give you. Oh, you went in? I'm supposed to open the door? How do I do that?
Hey.
Call me tonight, remind me.
God. More flavor. What are you doing? Listen to this. It's cute. I don't like hip hop, but it's great. I usually don't like hip hop, but it's got a good beat, right?
The camera.
I guess.
Alex.
I didn't get to sell any.
Okay.
Come on.
Oh, you're
it's
dancing
recording.
in front. Oh gosh.
Come on. No, all the things that we be on. Lizard. Wait, okay, come here. I want you to listen to a good song, though. Here, turn it off. This is like the best song ever. No, not that one.